My name is Laura Lee Hendrickson, and I will be presenting on the case motivation number 1. The case background information. Paul Peters is a computer programmer at Kalamazoo Lock Company. He was nervous because his time was getting closer for his first annual performance appraisal interview. He was confident that his performance during the first year was exceptional, especially for the first 6 months. Paul's boss, Miss Fenwich, believes that he needs improvement, so she awarded him with a merit increase as an incentive to improve in the coming year. Miss Fenwich did not link his past performance to his future. Paul felt like he was punished by the negative feedback he received from his boss. The key problem. Paul may believe that the merit increase was a reward for his past performance, but not as an incentive to perform better in the future. Paul believes that he performed well during the year. Although Paul tried to make some improvements throughout the year, Miss Fenwich did not acknowledge them. Question 1. Will the merit raise act as an incentive for Paul to improve his performance, or will it serve as a reward for his exceptional performance? Answer to question 1. Normally, rewards are awarded after great performance, not prior. However, Miss Fenwich has decided to reward Paul as an incentive to do better in the future. Therefore, Paul should view the Merit Act as an incentive to improve, since he was told that the incentive was specifically to improve his performance in the upcoming year. The factors influencing the decision. Paul believes he performed good during the year, and Miss Fenwich commended his attitude, good work, and the recently implemented program that he did. Miss Fenwich also outlined his errors and the cost they had on the company. Miss Fenwich gave Paul a merit raise despite not meeting the company's standard performance requirements. Question 2. Paul is likely to experience cognitive dissonance because he received 2 conflicting messages. He was told he did not have a good year, and he was given a raise. How can Paul reduce this dissonance? To reduce this dissonance, Paul can do the following. 1. He can convince himself that his good performance outweighed the bad, so he received the merit raise. 2. He can acknowledge the areas that need improvement and work on them. Or 3. He can ask his boss clarifying questions. Question number 3. How would you use expectancy theory to improve Paul's performance? Valence, expectancy, and instrumentality should be used to show the correlation that exists between performance and outcome. In this case, reward should follow performance. If the company recognizes Paul's values, it can be used to boost his performance. Paul will increase his efforts when completing assignments if he believes that this would improve his performance, which in turn can lead to rewards. Thank you.